In the previous part, I explained the depression in freezing point, which is used for the calculation of molecular weight of non-volatile solute. Now I am explaining the method by which we can calculate the molecular weight of non-volatile solute by utilizing the depression in freezing point property. Experimentally, it is found that depression in freezing point is directly proportional to the molarity of the solution. So delta TF is equal to Kf into molarity, where Kf is depression in freezing point constant. Kf is molar depression in freezing point constant or cryoscopic constant. When molarity of the solution is equal to 1, so delta TF is equal to Kf. Depression in freezing point is equal to molar depression in freezing point constant. Also, molarity is equal to number of the moles of the solute to the weight of solvent in kg. Substituting the value, now delta TF is equal to Kf into 1000 into small w over capital W into m, making m as a subject. So we get the formula Kf into 1000 small w over capital W into delta TF. With the help of this formula, we can calculate the molecular weight of non-volatile solute by utilizing the depression in freezing point property. Also, the molecular weight is inversely proportional to depression in freezing point. Now in the next part, I will explain the numerical based on depression in freezing point method.